to form your triads, all you need to do is skip every other white note when you're in A minor. Okay, so this is a triad. Notice how there's like, this is on A, and then it skips one white note, and don't count the black notes at all, just the white notes. And then you skip another white note, and then now you're here. So do this for me. Do an A minor.
Here, wait 1 second. Here.
Okay, now this is tricky because you have the keyboard sort of in that place. Have your other hand on the mouse, right? And actually highlight your arm your track that has the chord track. Yeah, there you go. Now hit your. Good. That's G. So hit A minor, right next to it.
Oh, whoops.
Yeah. So you see how it lights up there on your screen?
Yeah.
Hold that down and use the positioning of that. Scroll with your mouse and draw notes where you see those reds. There's actually 3 total. One is not shown. There you go. Okay, so let's do another one. Okay, all you do is hold this position and slide it. Just slide it down one, and you'll have G. There you go. Now draw those. There you go.
I like how the blue thing shows up. That's cool.
Yeah. Now slide it over one more. Draw those.
Okay.
See how that works?
Yeah.
And how about go back up to G? There you go. See, look how fast you did that. Now if you were to hit play on one of your beats, your chord progression will play along with it. Like hit play on one of your drum kit beats.
Okay.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So hit the ×2 X or the *2.
Mm-hmm.
And see how some of it disappeared? Like because what happens is it lengthened everything ×2. So now you have to lengthen the length. So drag the right side of the loop marker so that it encompasses all of it. See that? Now it's an 8-bar loop because you're doing halftime beats now. So maybe you want it slower. Maybe you have 2 options now. So hit space.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? You might want that instead, so it's not too fast. Good.